In this video, I'll show you how to install Fortnite on your iPhone without any revoke issue. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. With that being said, let's begin. The first step is to install a third-party platform called Flexstore. Flexstore is an amazing platform that helps you to install any IPA on your iPhone without any revoke issue. I made a dedicated video on how to install Flexstore on your iPhone. You can check that video in the description. Once you install the Flexstore, it has a section named as Apps at the bottom left corner. Go to Apps and search for Fortnite. Once you do so, here you can find the Fortnite. Just tap on this. Click on Sign App. Click on Install. And this will start installing Fortnite on your iPhone. Now you have successfully installed Fortnite on your iPhone. So that's it about the video guys. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.